Welcome guys, let's start to design this simple part in Catia software. So it is a 2D drawing and here you can see 3D drawing of this. So let's start doing this part in Catia software. First of all, open this Catia software and select start mechanical design, part design. As usual, we have to hide the short plane and select point and origin in geometrical shape and go to insert, select association. Select this point from this specification tree. Now let's start to make this design in ZY plane. So select this plane and origin as this projected point and parallel to this. So first of all, we are making this outer circle with radius value as 40, 20 and 20. So let's start to design circle first. Here is one circle, here is another circle, and make coincide with this circle. Actually it is comment from so we can give radius value as 20. This also 20 and this is 40. Yes, so make sure that this circle and this circle are exactly at same line. Put this circle as somewhat like this. Select this circle and this circle and here horizontal measure direction we give value here as 0. So this circle now goes center to center distance is 160 and this to this is 130. So it is one horizontal 130. It is 160. So make sure that you are making center symmetrical to this. So all the symmetrical line. Or you can give direct values from this to this. It is half of 160. And this also half of 130. Now over this outer part is done. So let's start make to this and bisector line. So go to here line command and select this right tangent line, select this double click to this, so use again. So our this is done. Now we have to make inner circle having die as 60 and 20. Value of this diameter of this is 60, diameter of this is 20, circle is 20, diameter of this also 20. Now we have to make one slot here. So go to this rectangle command, fly out and select here elongator hole, select horizontal line exactly coincident with this horizontal axis. The value of this center to center distance is 60, and diameter and this is 20, I think. Yes, it is 20, and it is from 30 distance from this vertical line. So our part is designed, but we should have to erase some lines here. So go to operation tab and select quick trim. Double click to this quick trim, so use 1 second. Select this line, this line, this. So you can see our 2D sketch is perfectly done with fully constrained. Exit the workbench and make sure before making pad command or before using pad command, make sure you are in a part body. Define work object. Now you can use this part body pad command. Select this 2D sketch with value what you want to do. I can take as 50. So we can see our part is designed perfect.